Welcome back to Logic's Hub, the place where math become easy and fun. In this video, we will test your brain with a very interesting PEMDAS question. Mostly people cannot solve this type of problem correctly the first time. They often get confused between bracket, multiplication, as well as in division. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will understand the right way to solve it step by step. So stay with me till the end. Don't skip even a second because this short video can change the way to solve math forever. Alright, let's start our question and see how sharp your mind really is. So my name is Razaullah and I can solve this question by correct method. So guys, mostly people can solve. Firstly, I can solve this question by wrong method because mostly people can solve this question by wrong method. So guys, he can solve this question is 100 minus 90 equals to 10, and then 100 minus 90 equals to 10, and then 10 times 10 equals to 100. But guys, trust me, this answer is absolutely wrong. Now I am going to solve this question by correct method. Guys, according to the rule of PEMDAS, where P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponent, M stand for multiplication, D stand for division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. According to this rule, firstly we can solve parentheses because parentheses have higher priority than other operation. And then if we talk about multiplication and division, then multiplication and division have equal priority and we can solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have equal priority and we can solve it from left to right. But guys, one thing which you can must remember in your mind, which is that multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So guys, I can remove this rule and I can start the solution of this question. So firstly we can solve parentheses, so I can write here 100 minus 90 time 100 minus 90 equals to 10. Now firstly I can multiply these two. So 100 minus 90 times 10 guys equals to 900. Okay. Now 900 minus 100 minus 900 equals to minus 800. This is the final answer of this question. If you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more this type of math challenges. Thanks for watching.